What again?
Look at the bunny way.
This will be the...
This is the bunny way.
The way or the road for the gravity car. Where's this little boy?
Why did you leave us behind, Mommy?
What is that gone? Oh, one person na lang tayo. Let's see pag mayroong bunny dito. There's bunny? Hey! Why are you opening that? Are you allowed?
No.
What?
This bunny is look.
Where?
Oh,
Why?
wow.
Why are you allowed?
I do.
Hey, hindi naman siya. Come here.
You want to go inside? Oh, you want to go inside?
Let's feed them with... give Gana if you want to feed them.
Feed them with carrot.
May itong gagadyo.
Give, here's the carrot.
Feed them with the kamote.
Go
Go.
inside, Mommy. Go. Wait, John.
I'll feed this
Hop,
one.
hop.
I'll feed this one.
He doesn't like?
It's very scary.
Here, bunny, bunny.
Here, bunny, bunny. He's getting it.
No more.
How about John's turn? John,
Come here, Gan.
hey, bunny.
Sige, give na lang.
It's full.
Give give it to the bunny. Carrots. Oh. Like it? Oh, let's go na.
He is the hungriest bunny, I think.
He wants to ride. He wants to ride. Okay. What? On na.
Nakauna pa.
Okay.
Diyan dapat ka ng ano po.
Baba konti sir. Baba niyo konti sir. Down dito sir. Down. Yan. Ganyan lang.
Pag hinakat ko pala ng preno, no?
Hindi. Taas mo konti lang sir. Ayan, ganyan lang sir.
Oh, mababag na kayo.
Ano, automatic to ma'am? Automatic?
Ang bigat yata namin.
Sige lang ma'am. Huwag magawin ng manibela ha. Andres mo ano? Nalagag dito eh. Ma'am, ganyan ba talaga ma'am?
Ah, wow, thank you.
Good ma'am.
Salamat. Ito lang talaga yung pinupuntahan sa Socobia. Itong gravity car. Diba? Do you like it?
Go up, up.
Do you like it? Do you like it? Is that your favorite part?
Yes.
Ha? Yan. Kaya, guys, try nyo na. Ang saya. Parang 2 minutes ano siya eh. Depende sa bilis nyo. Itong batang to, nonchalant. Nonchalant pa din. The next is the barn. They have barn here. Can't you imagine? Sa lahat ng zoo, ito lang yata yung may barn talaga. Tapos may camel din sila. Dati konti lang pupunta dito, nabigla kami. Biglaan lang to, pero nabigla kami na maraming tao. Bakit kaya hype siya ngayon? Hindi ko alam.
What's that?
It's just magic.
Yes!
That's
That's a spider web.
spider web.
Spider-Man.
Yeah.
Okay, let's feed the horse and the donkey.
The donkeys are.
There's donkey.
There's no donkey.
Hey, there is. See, what is that?
It's so big. No, the
There's
big
no
chicken.
donkey.
What are those?
Oh,
Have you seen
wow.
a chicken that this big?
Oh, we can eat that.
No, that's bad. That's your pickle.
But a while ago, that's our lunch. Our lunch is chicken.
No.
I can smell you. The pigs and the horse.
Pigs.
Oh, you want to feed?
What are we saying, Mama?
Very happy na naman.
Oh, snake, 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 snake. This is snake. There.
Oh, there's a snake there.
This
May
is
snake doon. Hmm?
Snake.
Hurry, give. This is the barn.
Give, look at the deer.
First, give.
Mukhaan pala ng dogs yan.
There this. Muli din kay clinic. Kaya magkano yung ganito?
150 lang, ma'am. May battery na siya, tsaka
I
dalawang.
want this one.
It's 150 eh.
Ito, ma'am, 100.
Oh.
Bird balance, kuya. Try mo sa kamay.
Bird balance. Try mo daw. Give, try it. Hey, you might break this.
Bird balance, kuya. Strong mo yung kamay mo. 100,
What
ma'am.
is this?
Like this, oh. Like this. You wanna try? Give?
Look! Look, mommy!
Ang ganda, galing.
Yung ganun.
Ay! Yoko. It's,
Bubble.
try it in your hand. Your hand.
Opo. Sabihin mo, dali. Bubble.
What?
You balance it.
Mommy, I want the squishy one.
Oh, I don't like it's popping.
But the squishy one.
O, tara na, let's go. Camel ride.
I
You want to ride the camel? Give, you want to ride the camel?
I don't like to ride the
You
camel.
have to because it's already included in the payment.
Oh, we will just ride. Hindi, bibidyoin kita sa cellphone. Gamitin mo
You
yan.
don't have a toy when you was a kid.
Ayoko.
Na?
Ayoko.
Ako na lang?
Mommy.
Hindi.
When you was a
sige.
kid,
Ano,
you
ano
don't
talaga?
have toys because I want to buy you new toys.
Pang matanda pala to. Give. I cannot chase you. Daddy will ride the
Oh, give me the paper.
Yan, bawal sa bata pala yan. Kasi walikot yung camera. Look at daddy, parang shake siya. Look at daddy, give. Look at daddy is riding the camel. Come here. Okay, yun mo kasi.
Give. Kaya ako eh.
Malikot pala yan.
Oo, mali. Kaya ano. Bawal yung bata. Anong tingnan ko?
Malikot pala siya.
Nasaan si Gondon?
Nakasumpong ang isang bata na nagtatampo. Gusto niya na laruan, pero syempre hindi kami bibili kasi sasirain lang din niya. Oh, this picture. Dati wala man ganyan, yung may photographer. Tapos yung mga pasalubong. Tapos literal talaga. Parang dalawa lang kami dito naglilibot. Pero kasi parang afternoon na yun.
Get down.
Parang mga 3 o'clock na yun. Pero ngayon 2 o'clock na yun.
Walk.
Marami pa rin tao. So hindi na siya pang introvert na zoo, sabi nga ng asawa ko. Okay. Ito na yung last ride natin. Yung Zing ride.
Wait for your
Kasama na yan sa voucher na kasama dito sa... Hey, give! Dito ka!
Give.
Maliit lang naman. Ayan, ganun lang naman. Ayan, naka-on na. Thank you.
Sige, picture mo.
Ay, thank you, kuya.
Thank you.
I want to. Yeah.
Nag-hi naman eh.
Isa lang ako.
I don't need it.
Ikot natin sir. Yung iba po.
Oh, give. Oh, wait.
Okay, go.
Go. Oh, you should bakas. Nice.
Ah, ang galing ni Gigi.
Di ba?
Wow.
Should bakas. Ito, give. Gawa mo dito. Wow! Gawa ng tap. Gawa ng tap.
Oh, ang galing.
This side, the right side.
Wow mo.
Ay, hindi pa ginita.
Ay, ikat pa.
Hindi pa naikot eh.
Wala na.
Wala na. Kaya palang tinaubos yung one. Oh, done na.
Okay, very good. We're done na.